Dear students, in the previous episode we discussed about the first four questions of exercise 10.3 of the unit circles. Then the fifth question, that is a word problem. The question is, three girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep are standing on a circle 5-meter radius. There are 3 points. Reshma, Salma and Mandeep standing on 3 points of a circle with a radius 5 meters. That is the perimeter of the circle. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep and Mandeep to Reshma. Distance between Reshma and Salma, Salma and Mandeep is 6 meters each. 6 meters each. Find the distance between Reshma and Salma. That means R Reshma, S Salma and M Mandeep. Therefore, RS is equal to 6 meters and the SM is equal to what? It is also 6 meters. Therefore, we know that these two angles are equal because this is an isosceles triangle. Then we know that OR is equal to OS, they are equal to radius. That is, answer is OR is equal to OS is equal to 5 meters. Then RS is equal to 6 meters. SM is equal to 6 meters. Then what is RM? That is, this is the perpendicular. RS is a chord. The perpendicular from center is OM, that will bisect the chord. Therefore, RN is equal to 3 centimeters. 3. Then we can find out ON. That is Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square minus base square is altitude square. Therefore, ON square is equal to OR square minus RN square is equal to 25 minus RN. Half of SM. RN is equal to half of RS is equal to 3 meters. That is 9 is equal to 16. Therefore, OM is equal to root 16. That is 4 meters. Root 16 is 4. Therefore, we know that this is a triangle ORS. Area of any triangle is half base into altitude. That is half RS into OM. Therefore, area of triangle ORS is equal to half into RS into OM is equal to half into RS. RS is 6 into OM, that is 4. Is equal to 24 by 2, that is 12. That is equation number 1. Let us assume that RM is equal to S. RM to X meter. Therefore, this is also triangle ORS. RM is perpendicular to the side OS. Therefore, area of triangle ORS is equal to half into OS into RM. Is equal to half into, what is OS? 5 into RM is equal to S. Case number 2. They are equal. Therefore, from 1 and 2. $12 is equal to 5x by 2, 24. Therefore, x is equal to 24 by 5 is equal to 4.8. Therefore, distance between Reshma and Salma Mandir. The distance between Reshma and Mandir is equal to twice of 30x. That is 4.8 into 2. That's 9.6 meters. Okay? That means let us consider that RS is equal to 6, is also 6. Therefore, we know that OR is equal to 5, OS is equal to also 5, that is the radius of that circle. Then RN is half of that radius, that RS, that means it is 3. Therefore, ON square is equal to 5 square minus 3 square, it is 25 minus 9 is equal to 60. Therefore, ON is equal to 4. Therefore, area triangle OR, let us assume that RM is equal to x. It is also perpendicular, this is perpendicular. Therefore, it is also perpendicular. Half basically vertical. Therefore, area of this one is half into OS, that is 5 into RM, that is x. Therefore, 5x by 2. And these two are equal, therefore 12 is equal to 5x by 2, therefore 5x is equal to 24, therefore x is equal to 4.8. Therefore, distance between that Reshma and Mandir is twice of that x, it is 9.6 meters. That is yes, it is an important question for your examination. Then question number 6. A circular path of radius 20 meters three boys are standing three points with equal distance. They have telephone toy with string. Find the length of this string. Is They are equal. That means they are sitting at the 3 points with equal distance. Therefore, length of the string will be always equal. Therefore, this is the figure for that question. There are 3 points starting with equal distance. That is ABC. Therefore, they are equal. That means it is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, each angle is 60 degree. Therefore, this is the radius. That is O is the center. This is the radius, and it is 20 meter. That is 20 meter. Yeah. Okay. This is an inscribed angle. And also, this is the central angle of that angle. Therefore, we know that the answer is angle A is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle BOC is equal to twice of that one. That is the central angle, 20 degree. Therefore, angle BOM is equal to 120/2, that is 60 degree. This angle is 90 degree, this angle is 60 degree. That means this angle is 60 degree, this angle is 30 degree. Therefore, for a right angle triangle, any one angle other than right angle is 30 or 60. Length of the shortest side, that is against 30 degree. We know in previous chapter, the angle against the smaller side is smaller and the longer side is greater. Therefore, the 30 is the angle, it is less than 60. Therefore, this side OM is, that is the smaller side. That means for a right angle triangle, the angle is other than 90 is 60 or 30. Length of the shortest side is equal to half of the length of the hypotenuse. Therefore, shortest side is OM. That length is half of the length of the hypotenuse, that is OB. Therefore, OB is equal to 20 meter. Angle BOM 60 degree. Therefore, OM is equal to half of OB. Is equal to what? 10 meter. 20/2, that is 10. Then this is the right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, BM square is equal to OB square minus OM square. BM square is equal to OB square minus OM square is equal to 20 square minus 10 square is equal to 400 minus 100 is equal to 300. Therefore, BM is equal to root of 300, that is 3 into 100 is equal to 10 into root 3. Root 3 is 1.73 is equal to 17.3. Therefore, length of this string is equal to BC. Therefore, length of string is equal to BC, that is equal to 2 into 17.3 is equal to 34.6 meter. That is the answer. That OM is bisect BC. Therefore, BC is twice of OM, twice of BM. Twice of BM is equal to 33. Therefore, twice of that one is 34.6 meter. That is the length of the string. Clear? Then exercise 10.5. That is the last exercise of your chapter. The first question. In figure, angle BOC is equal to 30 degree, angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Find the angle ADC. Find angle ADC. The figure is this angle is 30 degree. This angle is 60 degree. Okay. This is an inscribed angle ADC. The inscribed angle on a circle is half of the central angle of opposite of the ABC. That is a theorem for that chart. Therefore, we know that angle BOC is equal to 30 degree. That is the answer. Angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle AOC is equal to what? 13 plus 60 is equal to what? 90 degree. Therefore, angle ADC is equal to half of that one. Therefore, angle ADC is equal to half of 90 is equal to 45. That is the answer. Clear? That is the inscribed angle on any arc is half of its central angle of opposite arc. That is clear. Okay. Then second question. Question number 2. A chord of a circle is equal to the radius. Find angle subtended by the chord with major and minor. arcs. This is the figure. Chord of the circle is equal to the radius. This is also A, B. That means OA and OB are the radius segments, they are equal. AB is also equal, that is equal to what? B radius. Answer is OA is equal to OB is equal to AB. They are equal. Therefore, this is an equilateral triangle. All angles are equal. Therefore, angle AOB is what? 60. Then this is the angle at the major arc, that is B. C. This is the minor arc, B. We can find out the angle ACB and angle ADB. Listen, angle AOB is 60, therefore angle ACB is equal to half of 60. Angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to 60 by 2 is equal to 30 degree. That means angle in major arc is equal to 30 degree. Listen, this is a cyclic counterclockwise. Sum of the opposite angles 180 degree. One angle is 30, other angle is 180 minus 30 is equal to 50. Or this is the angle 360 minus 60, that is 300. That means this angle is 60, therefore all these other angle is what? 360 minus 60, that is 300. Half of that one is angle ADB. Or angle ADB is equal to 180 minus 30 is equal to 150. Therefore, angle in minor arc is equal to 150 degree. Angle in the minor arc is greater than 90, angle in the major arc is less than 90, angle in the semicircle is right angle 190. That is major arc acute, minor arc obtuse and semicircle right angle. This is the answer of that one. Clear? Then question number 3. In figure, angle PQR is equal to 100. Find angle OPR. This angle is 100. Let us consider this angle. Therefore, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, the sum of the opposite angle is 180 degree. Answer is angle PQR is equal to 100. Therefore, angle PSR is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree. Therefore, this angle is 80 degree. Therefore, this angle is twice of that one. Therefore, angle POR is equal to 2 into 80 is equal to 160 degree. And POP is equal to OR, that is radius. Therefore, base angles are equal. Angle OPR is equal to angle ORB. Therefore, angle OPR plus angle ORP is equal to 180 minus 160 is equal to 20 degree. Therefore, angle OPR is equal to twice half of that one, 10 degrees. That is the answer. Clear? That is, this angle is 100 degree. Therefore, this angle is 80 degree. No, it is 80 degree. Therefore, this angle is twice of that one. That is 160 degree. These are isosceles triangle. Therefore, these two angles are equal. Sum of these two angles is 180 minus 160 is equal to 20. Therefore, each angle is 10 degree. Therefore, angle OPR is equal to 10 degree. That is the answer. Then question number 4. Question number 4. In figure, angle ABC is equal to 69 degree. Angle ACB is equal to 31 degree. Find angle BDC. This is the figure. B, C, A, B. ABC. This angle is 61, 69. ACB. This angle is 31 degree. This is a triangle. Sum of these two angles, 180 minus sum of these two angles is equal to that angle. That is, angle answer is angle ABC is equal to 69 degree. Angle ACB is equal to 31 degree. Therefore, angle BAC is equal to 180 minus of 69 plus 31 is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree. Therefore, the instrument angle is the same angle are equal. Therefore, angle BDC is equal to angle ADC. Therefore, angle BDC equal to angle BAC is equal to, they are equal. Therefore, inscribed angle in the same are equal in measure. Okay. There are 7, 8 questions for this chapter. Then the remaining questions of this exercise 10.5 in the next episode. Okay.